Hi, friends. It's time for small groups, and today we are going to compare and measure different items. And usually, when you measure something, you use something like a ruler or a yardstick or measuring tape. But I'm going to show you how to measure things without using those materials because you may not have a ruler or a yardstick at home. I don't have a yardstick at home. I think I have a ruler somewhere, but I'm not exactly sure. And I do have measuring tape here at my house. But I'm going to show you how to do it with something that everybody has in their house. It's very, very simple, okay? And you want to know what it is? Okay, here it is. It's a piece of paper. We are going to measure today using a piece of paper, okay? So, what you need to do first, which I've already done right here, is cut your paper into some strips. So, I'm going to use my scissors and just show you. So, my paper, of course, I'm holding it like this, and I'm just going to cut a little strip, okay? Okay. So, the item that we are going to compare and measure today is, wait until you see it, Godiva and Chance. We are going to compare and measure the height of Godiva and Chance, and we're going to see who is taller. Now, of course, we can see that while we're sitting right here. When we're looking at Godiva and Chance right here, we see that Chance is taller than Godiva. Now, they're sitting, they're not even standing. But if I put their feet, if I have them stand up, oops, stand up, Chance. We see how tall they are, the difference, right? So now we're going to use a piece of paper. So I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to measure Godiva. So I put it down by his feet, okay? And I'm going to stop right here at his head. So his head goes, sorry, right here. So Miss Charles is going to fold the paper where his head stops, okay? So I'm going to fold the paper, and then I'm going to take my tape, have a piece of tape, and I'm going to put it on my board. And you want to make sure that they're the same height. Oops, sorry. Let me put it down here for so we can see the difference. So that's Godiva's height. Now I'm going to measure Chance. Uh-oh. Look, my paper's not long enough. So I'm going to attach another piece of paper to my tape with a piece of tape, another strip of paper. Okay. I'm just taping that together. And now, is it long enough to measure? Yes. So I'm going to start right here by Chance's leg, and I'm going to fold the papers at the top of his head, just like that. Okay. So that's how long Chance is. I'm going to get another piece of tape. I'm going to make sure that I put, let me move this down so I have enough room because I don't want. So I'm going to ask Chance and Godiva, you guys come sit over here, okay, while I show them the difference. So you want to make sure that the bottom is the same, okay, this at the same level. And now we can compare. So we see that this one, hold on, let me tear this, sorry. Thank you for being patient, friends. Okay, so I'm going to put this up here, make sure they're the same level, and now I'm going to compare. So I can say, oh, with my strip of paper, this is Godiva. So Godiva is shorter than Chance, and Chance is taller than Godiva. And so, friends, that is a simple way that you can measure different items in your house, okay? I hope that you have an opportunity to cut up some paper, find two objects, you can use two of your toys, and put them next to each other and cut you a strip of paper. And if you don't know how to cut, or say you don't have scissors, this is a way that you can tear your paper. You just fold it down like this, okay? You have to make sure that it's folded, and then you fold it again, turn it over, fold it the same way. And if you can't do this on your own, you can ask your mommy and your daddy to help you. And then you just tear down the line like this. Tear down the line. And there you have a strip of paper. Okay, so easy. So have fun finding two items in your house to compare and measure. All right, friends, I hope that you enjoyed our small group lesson. Sorry. And I will see you soon. Bye, friends.